And that is how I create this Siren eyeliner eye look. It's very simple. It's all in the eyeliner. It is literally all in the eyeliner. It's like, look at the other half of my face. Very docile, very doll-like, very sweet, right? And then this side of my face, I'm like, I will kill you and your entire family. But for this look, it's a very simple look. This is my go-to routine. And I always just do a very subtle liner. It's really not subtle, you guys, honestly. Like, she's not. So I go from the corner of my eye. I have hooded eyes, so I look forward. And then I draw the wing. Straight. And then I go from where the corner of it was and draw it to the corner of my eye. All while holding my breath. See that? It's still curved, y'all. I have hooded eyes and it's still hard for me to find like a liner that is like good for me. And then I just straighten it out. It ends up being really thick no matter what I do. And then I start thinking, am I just addicted to thick liner? It's all a part of the routine. It's all a part of the routine. But the wing always eats. She always ends up eating down. Okay. And then I just straighten it up, fix any mistakes. Make sure she's as straight as possible. And that is basically the outer part of the wing done. For the inner part, I feel like my signature has been like a siren eye. So the first thing I do is make sure my brush has product on it, but it doesn't look like this. We don't want that. We want it to have product on it, but not a lot, just enough, like kind of like this, to where the blade, to where the applicator is sharp. Oops, excuse me. To where the applicator is sharp, okay? And make sure not to move your eye too much because it's still drying. I have my mirror right here and I put it under my eye and I do like this. And I kind of angle my face so that I can see the inner corner of my eye and where the brush is about to hit. So I'm like this in the mirror. See, because I can see this part needs to be filled in. So I'm gonna fill that in. From there, I'm following the curvature of my eyes. So that means I'm gonna draw a line from here down here. So I want it angled like this. And then I turn my head to apply it almost, because my hand be shaking so much. I'm like nervous it's gonna mess up. So that is how I do the siren eye, okay? Okay, we started it, y'all. Like literally, this is how long it takes me. Y'all are seeing this real time. Because I literally want to show y'all like how much I be struggling myself and hoping it turns out for the best too. So even right here, there could be a little bit more product. And I make sure the brush is like this, not like this. It's like right here, so that I'm really using the tip, the smallest part of the brush for this part. Okay, now I'm just gonna straighten it up a little bit. Okay, once I have a base like this, it's not perfect yet because once I bring it to the inner part of my under eye, I'm gonna straighten it up. So I literally like place my hand on my chin and then I use the tip to draw like a straight line. Yeah, I'll be shaking so much. Okay, y'all. The way I'm sweating so much. So that's basically it. Okay, and then I fan it just to make sure it is set and dry in place because I don't want it messing up because I just took so much brain power. Oh my God. But yeah, that is how I do my signature Siren eyeliner. Yes, period. It looks so good. But we're not done yet. We're not done yet because next we have to underline the eye. Just get any black eyeshadow shade. Okay, I'm using the Perfect palette from Holler and Glow. And I'm just using this black shade right here. And we're going to be using an angled brush that looks like this, okay? I make sure my hands are clean before I touch the bottom of my eye. I pull it down and then I just line the under eye and just follow the waterline as you go. You want to make sure this is bold, okay? So I usually just keep taking eyeshadow as I go and just gently go back and forth and keep progressing until I get to the corner. And that is how I create this. Like, yes, I love it. Oh my God. And then I go back over it one more time. So 2 times. Underlining the under eye because it is eyeshadow. And that is how I create this Siren eyeliner eye look. It's very simple. It's all in the eyeliner. It is literally all in the eyeliner. It's like, look at the other half of my face. Very docile, very doll-like, very sweet, right? And then this side of my face, I'm like, I will kill you and your entire family. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye, but I'm gonna time lapse it, so let's get into it. If you want to see the behind the scenes of this makeup and hair look, y'all go check out these 2 videos. With that being said, thank you for listening, watching, and existing. I'm Ariel. Until we meet again. Bye.